What is the work is about? You have applied for online data analyst, tell us, right? And what is the work is about? See, actually, the work is about a Google Map evaluator. Okay, we have to evaluate the Google Map. That is some of the answers, that is details are wrong in the Google Map. We have to correct it. That is what our work is. Okay, and today we'll see some examples of uh, the try rating, how to do the work in the try rating, and some with some uh, rules. Okay. See, first question what you have to answer in this is navigational yes or no. Okay. Do you know what is meant by navigational? Navigation means if it has only one single result, it goes navigational. Okay, the query should be only one result in the world like that. Then it goes navigational. Okay. Example I'm telling Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a navigational because only one Taj Mahal is there. Okay, it is navigational. And Hyderabad, the name the place Hyderabad is navigational. Only one Hyderabad. Okay. The place Chennai International Airport is navigation. There is only one Chennai International Airport. Okay, so it goes navigation. So you have to just copy this and paste in the Google Map. If only one result comes, that is navigation. Okay, now put sample one. You have to type this in a Google Map and see how many results are coming. This question. How many results coming for this question? See, to type it in the Google Map and see and tell me how many results are coming for this question. Type Wingstop, Davis, comma CA, comma United States. You type this query and see how many results coming in the Google Map. You type it and see and tell me the answer. No, no, no. You don't need to open trading. Open Google Map. Okay, and yeah, Google Map and type it Wingstop, Davis, comma CA, comma United States. Mm. Open and type it Wingstop Davis United States. You type this query and see how many results coming. Mm. Type this query and tell me how many results are coming. No, no, the query is Wingstop Davis. Wait, wait, wait. I didn't. Yeah, wait. The query is Wingstop Davis CA United States. See, this one, which is appeared in the screen. That one you have to type it and see and CA and United States. How many results coming? How many results coming? Yeah, if only one result comes, this navigation yes or no question, if only one result comes, you have to give yes. Okay, so I am giving this yes. That was your first question we will answer. You copy paste this query in the Google Map and check how many results coming. If only one result comes, then you can give it a yes. Okay, then you have to wait 1 minute, 1 minute. what you have to write the four questions of the query. First one is relevance, name, address, and pin. Okay, and I will start with the pin now. See, if the pin is perfectly landing on the rooftop of this building, how to use one is try writing map to check the pin, or you can copy paste the lateral longitude pin, then check it in the rooftop. If it is perfectly landing on the wing stop, the rooftop of the wing stop, this wing stop, then you can give it as perfect. Okay, if it is landing in the road in front of the building, then you should give the pin accuracy as approximate. Okay, if it is landing on the next building, this building, so then you can give it as next door. Okay, then if it is landing on the opposite building or behind any other thing, you can give then wrong. Pin accuracy is wrong. Then when you have to give can't verify if it is surrounded by clouds or any other things. Okay, then you can give the pin as can't verify. The last one option. Is there any doubt for the pin accuracy? Is there any doubt? Clear? Yeah, clear now. Then come to the address accuracy. See, you have to check in this address whether Wingstop is located. Okay, if the address is correct, you have to give correct. If the address is formatting issue means the order of the address is incorrect, then you can give the formatting issue. If the street number comes before after this locality, then you can give the order of the address is incorrect, so you can give the correct with formatting issues. Okay, if the sum of the components of the address is incorrect, then you have to give it as incorrect, and which component is incorrect, or if it is missing also you have to note it out as incorrect. Okay, if the street number is incorrect, you can give click the street number. Okay, if the street name is incorrect, then you can give it a street name. And locality means it is sublocality means taluka in India. Okay. Locality means district. Okay. Region, state, you everyone knows that, and postal code. And country India. For us it will be in India. Okay. And address does not exist mean if this address does not exist, there is no address like this in this world. You can give this as address does not exist. Okay. La- mm. So you have to check with the for India. You have to check if it address with the Bhuvan map or their social media pages or with their website of the South. If it is in South, they have some website. See if it is map, they have website. Okay, if it does not exist, then give that address incorrect. It is mainly for the address questions. Will be there. If like this address does not exist in world, you can give this address is not. You have to verify with website and you can note it is this address or not. Okay. If language script issue means the address is this given in some other languages which is spoken of India. Okay. If it is given in the languages that is spoken in India, you should not give it. You should give it as normal. But if it is noted, if it is in the example, if it is in Japanese language, and that cases you can give language solution. Country specific issues, one country they give an order of the address will be different. For India, it will be like this only. So in other country, it's given in the order of the specific, then you can give country specific. Other issues, no country will be pressed. Address is given, then you have to give this other issue. You understand this address? Get out. I'm asking you my voice. Huh? Yeah. Whether my voice is not clear. Hello. Hello. I can hear you. Tell me. Whether my voice is clear. Malik, Renu, Smriti, whether my voice is clear?
Ma'am, your voice
I
is breaking, ma'am.
This breaking, ma'am. Your voice is
actually
breaking.
network issue here, I think so. Now, now can you hear me? Can you hear me? reply me. See, anyone reply me? Can you hear me now? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Now
perfect,
whether
ma'am.
it's okay? Huh? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, and whether any doubts in the address accuracy? Anyone? Mm. Okay. If see first correct means the address is correct, you can give it as correct. Okay. If it is incorrect, correct with formatting issue means the order of the address is incorrect. You have to give incorrect with formatting issues. Okay. Incorrect means which any one of the component is of the address is incorrect. You have to give it as incorrect, and which component of this incorrect that you have to click it out. Whether street number or street name, unit number, any other thing which is incorrect, you have to click it out. Address does not exist in me. See, sublocality is taluka in India. Okay. Locality means district in India. State, postal code also, country is India, and country's address does not exist mean that address does not exist in the world. You have to click that is address does not exist. Language script issue means if it is given in some other languages that is spoken out of India, you can click this option. Country specific issue, it is me in the order of every country, they do not have this order. If it is in different order of the country, then you have to give country specific issue. Other issue, it should be no comma in between the address, then you have to give it is other issue. Is there any doubt for the address accuracy options? Any doubt? Mm. See, I will do practical. First of all, I just want you to know all the options, whatever thing. Okay, don't worry. Whether now clear about these options, uh, I will go for the name accuracy. That is why I'm telling. Hello, hello, yeah. And name accuracy means this name you have to consider name and classification. If Wingstop is a chicken fish restaurant, if it is correct, can give the correct. This NA means if it is an address type, any address component is there, any street number or street name, unit number, locality, sub locality. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. See, you have to check with their website. See, just I will tell this option. I will explain you. Don't worry. Okay. At the time you will know how to check and all. Okay. Don't worry about that. If name that I have to first of all note it down which option is for that. Okay. NA means if any of the address components comes in the name, then you have to give the name as NA. For example, Mumbai. Mumbai is given here. Okay. Then it is NA. It is an address component. You should not give the name as correct. Okay. If it is given Hyderabad here, then you should give as NA. The name it is not a name. It is a component of address. Okay. If a name is or if Inkstop is both classification matches with the restaurant, you can give correct. If it is minor mistake in the name, see example W is given in a small letter means small letter without capital letter, then you have to give it as partially correct. Okay. And if it is fully correct, you can give correct. If it is incorrect, you have to click incorrect by the name or category. Which one is incorrect? Whether name is incorrect or category is incorrect. Then you have to give the name category. It means see example KFC is fast food restaurant. Domino's pizza comes means you have to give pizza restaurant. Like that. Okay. it should matches the category also. Okay. If the relevance is only based on the rules that will be discussing now. Okay. Now we can discuss the rule. Okay, don't go with the background. No background noise is there. Just noted down the rule for the first day. There are so many rules, and first day rules, four rules we will be discussing. This was the four basic rules that we'll be discussing today. Note it down. The first rule. Yeah, note down the first rule. Take a paper and pen. Note down the first rule. See, I will send, but now note it down. I have to explain. The last day only I will send the notes and everything. What? I cannot hear you. What? Hello? Hello? Okay. See, you are outside. Okay. See, the first rule, when the viewport is fresh, user is outside, all the results inside the viewport should be given excellent. Okay, this was the first rule. Okay, and the explanation of the first rule is Sheila, I'm using your account. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Viewport ages should be fresh. Okay, viewport age should be fresh. User should be outside. That is, see, this violet color box given as a viewport. The viewport age should be fresh and user should be outside this viewport box. What are all the results present? Number one and two are results. Number with that number, what are the results present within the viewport box should be given excellent. That was the first rule. See, when the viewport is fresh, user is outside, all the results inside the viewport should be given excellent. That was the first rule. Okay. So in this case, this rule will not be applied. The first rule, and here viewport is fresh, but user is inside. Okay. So when the user is outside, the what are the results present inside this viewport box should be given excellent. That was the first excellent for the relevance. Here you should give excellent. Got it? That was the first rule. Note it down clearly. Then I will explain the second rule. When the viewport is fresh, user is inside, the result should be rated with user location. That means distance from the user. Okay. When the viewport age should be fresh, there are two viewport age, one is fresh and another one is stale. Okay, when the viewport is fresh, user is inside, the result which is closer to the user location should be given excellent. Okay, little bit distance from the user should be given good distance. No distance should be acceptable and very far should be given bad distance. Here, first one excellent, little bit distance good, distance and acceptable. Third one acceptable distance and fourth one bad distance. It is not based on the kilometer. It is based on the based on the results. Okay. See, after doing practice, you will understand that. But which is closer to the user location should be given accurate. Little bit distance, good distance, acceptable and bad. That was the second rule. And the third rule, when the viewport is fresh, user is outside, no results are inside the viewport, and the result should be rated with distance to the viewport. Okay, this was the third rule. When the viewport is fresh, user is outside, no results present inside the viewport box. The result which is closer to the viewport should be given excellent. Which is closer to the viewport excellent. Little bit distance from the viewport, good distance. More distance acceptable, and very far should be given bad distance. Okay. This was the third rule. Okay. And final rule, the fourth rule, when the viewport is stale, the result should be rated with user location. Okay. When the viewport age should be stale here, at that cases, uh, the result you should ignore the viewport. The result which is closer to the user location should be given excellent. Little bit distance, good distance, more distance acceptable, and very far should be given bad distance. That was the fourth rule. Have you understood this rule? Is there any doubt on the rule? Any doubts on the rule? No. Okay. When this rules will be applied to the question means when there is multiple results for the query. When there is multiple results. Multiple result means um, if the query is just for McDonald's, if the query is for Domino's Pizza, if the query is for KFC, if the query is for just restaurant, there are many restaurants, there are many McDonald's, there are many Starbucks, there are many KFCs. Okay, in that cases, this rule will be applied. Just a single thing that how many results, then this rule will be applied. Okay, now all of you, this is the live writing question. Now check this query and tell me the answer for whether it is navigation yes or no. Type this query and tell me the answer whether it is navigation yes or no. Anyone? Tell me fast. All of you, not only Sam Paulson. Malik. Uh, what? Malik, Sheila, Renu, Sumati.
Ma'am,
Mm, yeah, tell me. How many results coming to this query?
your screen is not showing.
Screen is not showing. My screen, whether my screen is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Visible, yeah. Okay. Sheila,
Okay.
what is the answer for this query?
Yes.
Navigation, yes or no? Sheila, are you there?
Right, ma'am.
Check பண்ணுங்க சீக்கிரம். சுமதி, ரேணு.
செக்டார் 54ன்றது ஒரு பில்டிங் மட்டும் தான் மேம் காட்டுது.
இல்ல இது பில்டிங் கிடையாது. அது செக்டார் 54 ஒரு சப் லோகாலிட்டி வித் பின்கோட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க.
ஓகே. Phase 2. லொக்காலிட்டின்னு
சப் லோகாலிட்டி தாலுகா.
ஓகே. அப்படின்னா
சப்
மென்ஷன்
லோகாலிட்டி.
பண்ணா அது வந்து நேவிகேஷனல்ல எஸ் தானே மேம் வரும். அந்த
Navigation yes. The answer is navigation yes. There is only one single result in the for this query. So I am giving the navigation yes. If the result does not satisfy the user, you have to give the answer for the relevance as bad user intent. Okay. But what is the answer for this question? Whether this satisfy the user? User specifically wants sector 54 in particular with the postal code. But the result is sector 56. What will be the answer for this question?
பேட் யூஸருக்கு ஊட்டலாம் மேம்.
Yeah, the answer is bad user because I am the user, I want sector 54, but the result is sector 56, which does not match the user. So I am giving the relevance as bad user. Okay. Is there any doubt for this question, Sam? Sam, have you got this point? Sam, are you there? See, actually, uh, user wants sector 54, but the result is sector 56, which does not match at all. So the answer should be bad user intent if does not satisfy the result you query. So it should be given bad user intent. Okay. So I'm giving. So okay, what is the answer for name accuracy? Sumati, can you tell me what is the answer for name accuracy?
Yeah.
Huh? What? Sumati?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the answer for name accuracy for this question? Malik, can you tell me what is the answer for
Ma'am,
name?
NA
Uh,
not applicable because this is
Not
yes,
applicable because
yes,
it is
ma'am.
an address
Address.
type. So I am giving the name as NA, not applicable. Okay. Sam, it is an address type, so there is no name for the address type, so it is not applicable. That's the answer. For any of the address component, you should be given NA. See, now it is an address where we have to check this address is right or wrong. In India, for address, you have to check it in the Bhuvan map. Okay, check it in the Bhuvan map and tell me whether the address is correct or not. Now, Sheila, tell me whether this address is correct or not. Check it in the Bhuvan map. Bhuvan map I'm showing here. Bhuvan map. This one is a Bhuvan map. Type sector 56 and this address and tell me the answer for. Sheila, are you there?
Type it, ma'am.
ம் செக் பண்ணுங்க சீக்கிரம். Malik, have you checked?
Okay, ma'am.
Check it out. Soon. Check it and tell me the answer.
Address correct, ma'am. Sector 56, Chandigarh, ma'am.
Whether address is correct?
Sector 56, Chandigarh, Chandigarh, 160055 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க.
Correct தான் correct. Address is correct. Okay, no problem. So, shall I give the address is correct? Whether Sheila address is correct?
Ma'am, your type type பண்ணி
Sam, you are Sam. Actually, hello.
Ma'am, background noise.
Background noise. So much background noise.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Sam, I am only telling to you only. So much background noise. Then, whether pin is landing on the sector 56. Check it out. This pin, type this pin in the Google map and check it out whether pin is landing on the sector 56. Sam, I am telling you. Hello. Yeah. check it out. This latitude longitude pin is landing in sector 56 of the Chandigarh. We can use Google Map now for the pin landing. No problem. Bhuvan map is for checking the address. Pin location you can use Google Map. Yeah. Now we have to copy paste the latitude longitude pin and paste it in the Google Map. Okay. See, pin is landing on one place. I have to check whether it is in sector 56. See, you can see this was sector 56. The whole thing was sector 56. I'm searching nearby sector 56. Sector 56 Chandi. See, this was sector 56 Chandigarh. Can you see? This area, red color dotted area was sector 56 Chandigarh. Can you see? Everyone? Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
this our pin is here. I have to check whether this landing on sector 56 Chandigarh. See, it is landing on this area. This area. Can you see this area? But the pin is also here, landing here. Can you match with the rating map? Pin is landing here, where I mounted mouse. See this place. Here it is landing. Okay. So I am giving the pin can land anywhere on sector 56 as the result was sector 56. So I am giving the pin as perfect. Is there any doubt for this question? Hmm. See, user wants sector 56. Okay. If it is just a building only, the pin accuracy should be perfectly on the building. It is sector 56 is the area. This red color dot is area. It is if it can land anywhere on the area. So I am giving the pin as perfect. It is landing here, so I am giving the pin as perfect. Okay, is there any doubt for this question? Anyone?
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sheila,
Yes, ma'am.
now check this query is navigation or not. Others also check and tell me answers soon.
Ma'am, 80.
80. சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல 801 அன்கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டேன் மேம். தெரியுது.
80 நியூ ஆர்யா நகர் காசிபாத்.
ஓகே மேம். நேவிகேஷன் எஸ் மேம்.
Malik, what is the answer?
நேவிகேஷன் எஸ் தானே மேம்.
Yeah, is yes, because there is only 180 Nurya Nagar in Ghaziabad, so I'm giving the navigation as S. The query is also address is all same address. It matches with that. If this comes navigation means here also the relevance also comes navigational, right?
ஓகே.
Because there is only one address like this. Here also navigation is also navigation. So I'm giving the navigation here. Now Sam, tell me what is the name accuracy answer, name and category accuracy answer. Huh? Sam, what is the answer for the name accuracy? It is an address type. Address type. What is an answer for the name accuracy? it is not perfect. What Malik? What is the answer for the name accuracy?
Ma'am, not applicable
It is
in
not
A
applicable because it is an
because
address
the
type,
address.
so it should be given NA. All the address type components should be given NA. Now check the address in the Bhuvan map and tell me the answer.
Address is correct, ma'am.
Address is correct.
Correct,
Sam
ma'am.
Paulson, can you check it out in the Bhuvan map and tell me? Uh, yeah.
Three pattern nagar on the extra.
Three petal nagara. இல்லை இந்த அட்ரஸ் கரெக்ட் தான் நினைக்கிறேன். செக் பண்ணுங்க. ரேணு அட்ரஸ் கரெக்டா புவன்ல?
Correct, ma'am.
Actually address is correct.
80 New Arya Nagar, date of birth, Uttar Pradesh 201001.
Okay, address is correct. Check whether the pin is landing perfectly. In the pin, in the actually this pin matches with the Bhuvan or not. Check it out and tell me. இந்த லொகேஷன்ல தான் இருக்கா கரெக்டா this building 18 அதே street or with it is noting a building. Whether it is matches with the pointing in the Bhuvan map and check it also with the Google map. Correct or not? See, actually the pin is wrong. This 80 New Arya Nagar is landing somewhere else. Okay. Anyone else you checked? Huh? See, can you see the pin is landing on the second row, not on the first row? But in the try rating, the pin is landing on the first row. It is landing here. The pin is landing here. But it is landing here in the try rating. So pin is wrong. Okay. Pin is not perfectly landing on the building that is in the ATR Nagar. It is landing here. So it is giving it is wrong. Okay. Is there any doubt for the pin accuracy? Is there any doubt for the pin accuracy? Anyone? Renu? No.
No, ma'am. Please.
No. See, actually, the pin is not landing on the building, same building. Okay, it is landing here. It is a 80 New Arya Nagar, but our pin and try rating is landing here, not on the first row, the second row. So it should give the pin is wrong. Okay. Whether navigational yes or no for this question?
Yes,
Query
no, no,
for
ma'am.
this.
Navigational.
Huh?
Yes,
Navigational,
ma'am.
no.
Navigational, ma'am.
Navigational?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Why yes?
A museum,
Uh,
Raipur.
because this address is only one in the world.
This is an address whether this is an user wants museums in Raipur.
Museum. Okay.
Okay. But how many museums are there in Raipur? Check it in the
Uh,
Google Map and tell me.
yes, ma'am.
Renu, tell me. Check your answer and tell me once again.
Sorry, ma'am. It's not navigational.
Yeah, there are so many museums,
Just,
right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the navigation is
Yes, ma'am.
no. So in that cases, what are all the museums present in Raipur, Chandigarh, India should be given excellent. So because user wants museums in Raipur, all other museums it should be given. If it is given the museum in some other location, you have to give bad user intent because that does not satisfy the user. User wants museum in Raipur, Chandigarh. What all the museums present in museum Raipur, Chandigarh should be given excellent. Now check. Tell me this whether this museum is present in Raipur.
Ma'am,
So what is the answer for the relevant?
relevant, excellent program.
Okay. Now check the name and address in the Bhuvan map. Check the name and address in the Bhuvan map.
Ma'am once show me how to check the one map address.
Bhuvan map just type this name. You have to type it here, the search box. Then you will get that address. Now check it out and tell me. This name, if you type it, then you will get answer.
Address change ஆயிருக்கு மேம்.
Change ஆயிருக்கா? என்ன change இருக்கு addressல?
Ma'am,
ஆதி சவுக் அப்படின்ற
wrong.
மாதிரி ராஜ்பவன் ரோடு.
Yeah, address is incorrect. That road name is incorrect. The street name, right? So I'll just copy this address and paste it in the comment box. Okay. And whether name is correct? Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Museum. Yeah. So I am giving the name as correct. Address is incorrect. Street name, right? Because street name is missing. I am giving incorrect street name. Another pin is landing perfectly on the building. Whether pin is landing perfectly on the building, check. Check whether pin is landing on the building or road in the building or within the boundary area. Check this map and tell me.
latitude longitude.
Latitude, longitude. See,
இல்ல மேம் பின் செக் பண்றதுக்கான அது ரோட்ல இருக்கு மேம் இது ஐ திங்க்.
roadல இருக்கு. Okay, it is on the road, not on the building. But whether it is landing in the boundaries of the building or road in front of the building. Check with
இந்த
the Google.
பவுண்டரி ஐ திங்க்.
See,
ஓகே மேம்.
it is a boundary. Okay, it is a campus. Inside the campus, it is landing on the road. Okay, not on the building. So it should be given approximate. It is not on the building or it is in the boundaries of the building. Okay, here only we have a main road. It is inside a museum. We have a road. We have placed a road. So it should be given approximate because it is landing within the boundaries of the building. So it's given approximate. Okay. Now second one. What is the answer for the second one? But so much background noise, Sam. Check it out. Whether what is the answer for the relevance? Whether this is a museum, science museum that is located in
போஸ்டல்
Raipur.
கோடு. சாரி மேம்.
Okay. Answer
போஸ்டல்.
relevance answer முதல்ல சொல்லுங்க. What is the answer for the relevance?
ஓகே மேம். ராய்ப்பூர்ல இருக்கு மேம். ஸோ அவங்க கிட்டது ராய்ப்பூர் மியூசியம் தான். ஸோ இட் இஸ்
It is also
எக்ஸலண்ட்
an
ரைட்.
excellent. Okay. Whether name is correct?
நேம் கரெக்ட் மேம்.
Okay, I'll just try to check it out. Okay. Name is correct. Name is correct. What is incorrect? Postal code 492014. Postal code is incorrect. Incorrect postal code. Whether pin is landing perfectly on the building?
Approximate.
Approximate.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் சாரி மேம்.
It's landing on the rooftop of the building.
வெயிட் மேம் வெயிட் மேம்.
It is landing on the rooftop of the building. Only check.
Pin accuracy perfect ma'am.
Inaccuracy is perfect. So I am giving it a perfect because it is landing on the rooftop of the building that is in Science Museum. So I am giving it as perfect. Okay. Wow. Address postal code is incorrect. So I'm copying this Science Center. This one I'm copying and pasting here. Is there any doubt for this question? Sam? What doubt? Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. It is also located in Raipur, so I am given excellent. This also is Science Museum. It is also a science museum, not a science center. Science center is an also name, but it is also science museum that is located in Raipur.
Yes, ma'am. There's already
That
mentioned in category.
it is a science museum. It is mentioned in the category, right? So I am giving that also excellent. Okay. ஷீலா நான் நினைக்கிறேன் நான் உன்னோட அக்கௌண்ட்ல பாதி பண்ணிடுவேன்.
Okay.
Okay. Now the query is just KFC. Okay, there are many KFCs. Now we have to go with the rule. Okay. Now user is outside, viewport is fresh. What rules comes in your mind? Which rule will be applied to this question? Whether navigation yes or no?
No ma'am. Navigation no ma'am.
Because there is so much cases, navigation is
Yes.
no. Okay. Then which rule will be applied to this question? Viewport is fresh.
Ma'am,
Rule அது எல்லாமே excellent.
First rule. According to first rule, what are the results you should give as excellent? One, one should be given excellent because user is outside. The result within present inside the fresh viewport should be given excellent. Second one, also excellent because it is
Excellent.
excellent. Oh, third one. What is the correct third one? It may be
Bad.
acceptable distance or bad. Okay,
Bad.
it should be given. I
distance issue.
distance. So I will check if any results of KFC in between this area. Then we can give this.
குட்டிக்கு அப்புறம் தான் குட் கொடுக்க கூடாதுங்களா?
குட் குடுக்கலாம். இப்போ எந்த ரிசல்ட்டுமே இல்லன்னா, அத நான் செக் பண்ணிட்டு கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்றேன். Okay, I'm not sure whether it's acceptable. Okay.
Okay.
Now I just want to check this first one, whether KFC is a fast food restaurant. So name accuracy is correct. Okay, now I'm copying this latitude longitude pin and pasting it in the Google map. I'm checking this building content KFC. Yeah, that building. It is a corner of one building. To check in the street, so that building is contain KFC or not. Whether it's building contain KFC. Yes or no? Contains KFC or not? Hmm? I
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
hear you.
KFC.
Yeah, it contains
In the right
KFC.
side.
The pin is
Yes,
landing
ma'am.
on the rooftop of the building that contains KFC. So I am giving the pin as. Shall I give it as perfect? Because it is
No
landing
ma'am.
on the rooftop of the building. No.
மேம் ஆக்சுவலி அது
ஏன்னா
பக்கத்துல தானே மேம் காமிக்குது கேஎஃப்சி
இல்ல
அப்படின்றது. நம்ம
இல்ல
நம்ம
இல்ல
கூகுள்
இது
மேப்ல
பாருங்க.
போடும்போது
எங்க மேம்
Yes,
இங்க
ma'am.
பாருங்க.
Okay,
Perfect.
ma'am.
இங்க பாருங்க. இந்த மேப் நீங்க அந்த KFC அந்த ஐகான பார்க்க கூடாது எப்பவுமே. அந்த
Okay,
தப்பு
ma'am.
பண்ணாதீங்க. அந்த பில்டிங்ல அந்த பின் லேண்ட் ஆயிருக்கா. யூ ஷுட் check only on the building that is
ஒரு
content
perfect
KFC.
up. Okay, ma'am. Okay,
This
ma'am.
is the corner of the area. Can you see? Corner of this
Okay,
is a
ma'am.
road. In that road,
Uh-huh.
the corner we have KFC. So that building contains
So
KFC.
perfect,
So I am
ma'am.
giving it a
Okay,
plus.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I have
Thank
to
you.
check the KFC. Now you have to click the icon, KFC icon. Okay. Then you will get the website here. Okay. I'll check their website. Unit number 629. This was the address. Whether the address matching with the address in the website. Bandra West தான். But unit number tappu, street name is incorrect, linking road, street number is incorrect, right? Can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I am giving incorrect street number, unit number, and street name, and that is why that is what incorrect. Okay, unit number 629 Gailward Shopping Arc Linking Road. That is not present here. Both are incorrect, so I am giving incorrect. Understood, Sam? How to check it? Okay. Now second one. Copy the latitude longitude pin and paste it in the Google map. Whether that building contains KFC, check it out. Taking this was the building, I'll check in the street view whether it contains KFC or not. Yes, it contains one KFC. That was image was captured in December 2021. Okay. I'm searching any nearby KFC. But there is no KFC in that location because that may be permanently closed. Also check with the website. It was in Bandra West. This was mm, user wants one Bandra West restaurant in Bandra West. There is only one restaurant in Bandra West. Okay, you can check in the website. This also Bandra West. You can see only one restaurant in Bandra West. Here also they given Bandra West. Can you see in the address? Second one. Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Yeah. Here
Yes,
also
ma'am.
given Bandra West. But in the website in Bandra West, I have given in the KFCC state Maharashtra, Mumbai, city Mumbai, and localities Bandra West only one restaurant, which was the first one. Okay, first one also located in Bandra West. So only one restaurant. Oh, there is no restaurant in this location. So I am giving the business is closed. But you have to rate the relevance as per the rules. It is excellent.
Okay.
Have you understood why I given business is
Yes,
closed?
ma'am.
There is no KFC in that location, so I am given the business is closed. Now I'll check here any KFCs in the third location in Santa Cruz East. I'll check here itself in the Santa Cruz East. There is no location Santa Cruz East. But I also check with the web latitude longitude pin. Nearby KFC. The pin is landing on the airport. Can you see? Pin is landing on the airport. Can you see? Our blue color is our pin. It is landing on the airport terminal.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see? Yes
So
or
the
no?
rules start then.
Uh, but
Yes, ma'am.
here you have one KFC here in nearby. But whether I have to check whether it is in the Santa Cruz East. No, there is no restaurant in the Santa Cruz East. See here also we don't have in the Santa Cruz East in the locality. Okay, so that's why there is no business KFC in that location, so I'm giving this also business is closed. There is no KFC in that location. At that cases, you have to give the business is closed. Have you understood why I gave this business is closed for these two questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt on this? No? Okay. Okay. Go practice it and we will have sessions on tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay, come up with the doubts. What sites is GT Studio? You didn't tell us. GT Studio. That link they will be having provided you already. GT Studio. You can practice on GT Studio. Tell us candidates. Yeah, you check your mail. You will have in the mail. Okay, you have on GT Studio on mail. You can open it and practice there. Okay, come up with the doubts tomorrow. We can have a session tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm.
Thank you, ma'am.